Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you are watching this. So, we need to get back on with the Mini, don't we really? It's not going to finish itself. So, I've been agonising of how to cut this certain little section out on the Mini because I can't get the grinder in because the space is just too small. So, I'll turn the camera around and I'll show you what I've done to resolve this. So these are hopefully going to resolve the issue I have been having. So we've got my Dremel in there. And we've got this kit that I bought from Screwfix. So that's the attachment for it. And these are almost like, well, they are mini grinding discs basically, but they're not the cheap ones that you get with your kit where they don't do anything. You know, they shatter more than they actually cut. So yeah, that's what they're for. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. So we're going to take these two out to the garage and I'm going to show you exactly what it is I'm cutting off. Right then, this is the issue I have. So as you can see, this is a 3-layered panel, as everybody knows. So you've got your boot hinge panel, you've got your boot floor, and then you've got your valance. Now, previous owner Essex Mini has welded in this rear valance, so that's brand new, so there's no point getting rid of that. So my plan is, I've just spoken to the man, the legend, Dave Jaguar, so my plan is to cut along this seam here, right the way across, all the way, and take these two pieces out. Because there's nothing, I know you can buy this panel here that comes all the way across, but there's nothing wrong with any of it, so it'd be absolutely pointless. So what I'm going to do, I have got some boot repair sections, so I can make up this piece again, and it'll be fun as well to make my own panel, so that's what I'm doing. So yeah, so I'll try and set it up so you can see, and then we can hopefully go from there. So, because this is brand new, I don't want to damage it. I've got a piece of metal here that I've been practicing welding on, and I'm going to use that as sort of like a sacrificial panel. So if I do nip onto it, it doesn't matter because this will be in the way. So, as always guys, it's safety first, so you need your mask, you need your visor, and you need your gloves. Right, I actually stopped recording there because mainly when I checked the camera, mainly what you could see was my hand. So anyway, that's the first piece chopped out. So obviously I'm not going to film it all because there's a lot to do all the way down there. But that's working really well, as you can see. I have nipped it a few times, but that's exactly what it's there to do. Take this. So yeah, I'm happy with how that's looking so far. So I'm just going to carry on going across this seam and see how long it takes. Right, so this is where I'm up to. These discs are great, but they are wearing down very, very quickly. Still got more, but the fact is, I've had a look, and with a new disc, I can get in with a grinder. So I'm going to see if I can do it with a grinder. Try and speed it up a bit. And there we go. That's it all cut away. And this is what I was talking about. This is some that I've cut off. And where is it? You can see it is starting to rust inside there. And that, again, we're trying to build this Mini right, so that would have just caused problems later on down the line. So that's that section now cut out. What I need to do now, obviously, is make a template so I can weld a new section in. I'll be welding, like I say, so my plan is, where's that piece gone? There was a piece. So just to give you an idea of what I plan on, this is a bit that I've cut out. So as you can see, it's two pieces together. So I plan on doing 2 full lengths, and I'm going to weld them to there like that. And then once that's pulled up, and then I'm going to plug weld it all the way along. And that should then give it its strength back. I mean, that's starting to flex now, which you should imagine anyway, because there is nothing holding it to actually boot floor. But yeah, I think that's probably the best way I could have got away with that there. Like I say, I really don't want to replace this whole section. I know you can buy this repair panel here, and I just don't think it's worth it for what I need, because I'd still need to put the boot floor skin back in and seam back in anyway. So yeah, that's where I'm up to. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I know it's not been particularly very interesting, some may say, but it's quite interesting for me because I get to make my own panel up now, which is quite nice, quite exciting for me. And I hope you join me for that one. But I'm tracking the Fiesta this Saturday, so all being well, it's meant to be raining. I'm not sure how well that car's going to perform in the rain, but it's a good shakedown for it anyway. So regardless whether it rains or sunshine, which it's gonna rain, I'll get you a video out for that. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, guys. Hope you have a great day. Cheers.